Hey everyone, I'm going to be running you through the downpipe diverter. This is a rectangular one. It suits 2x3 and 3x4 inch downspouts, and we do have a range of other versions with different adapters. So check our website and you might find the right size for your needs. So the idea is all you do is chop out 2 sections of downspout. We've got a really easy guide on our website where you can see the dimensions. You can also check our other video where we talk to you about how to install it. So we're chopping out 2 bits of pipe. Now it captures huge amounts of water. So it's of a medium size. I wouldn't say it's tiny, but with this high flow fitting on there, with this 1 1/4 inch hose, it can capture around about 300 gallons an hour, which is about 1,200 litres an hour, which is obviously a huge amount of water. Your barrel's going to fill up really quickly, obviously. Depends on the rainfall event, of course. We also supply a nice little 12mm hose fitting for some of those push-pull garden hoses. So that one's still quite effective. That does about 150 gallons an hour, which is around about 600 litres an hour. And we also give you just another threaded 1 inch MPT thread fitting, which will fit a range of different threads. The white part itself has got a 1 inch BSP fitting, so that will be suitable for a lot of countries. The 1 inch MPT is suitable, again, for a range of countries, especially the US. Now, I spoke to you about the design. We've also got a nice on-off switch here. So if it comes to winter, you might want to turn that off so that you're not collecting water in your barrel. Or if you don't have an overflow in your barrel, potentially, you might want to turn that off. We recommend putting an overflow in or installing it at the right height so that your barrel can't overflow, because the last thing you want is water coming out the inlet because it's a bit messy, it's not controlled. You want to try and control where the water is going to make sure your surrounding area stays nice and neat. Now the last really great thing about it, it comes with its own integrated leaf strainer, so you don't have to worry about putting a rain head upstream. So I'll show you where it is. Just move these little parts out of the way. There's the leaf strainer. So you can see there, that's going to keep out most leaves. And you can see that as leaves are falling in there, any leaves, they're just typically going to slide right the way through. And if I take that out, you can sort of see that kind of dam arrangement around the outside. So water fills up around there and then goes down the fitting, down to the barrel. I'll put this back together. So that's the rectangular downpipe diverter. It's really easy to install, captures massive amounts of water, and it's got an integrated leaf strainer. So it's a really great way to get started collecting water in your rain barrel.